once again, Maths and Tricks. Hi guys, that was just a bad impression. It's part 7 of Math Tricks. Today we're going to learn about more multiplication, mainly 3 by 2's. Oops. 3 by 2's. So basically what we mean by 3 by 2's basically means something like 32. Yeah, so I'll teach you how to do this in various methods. So actually let's just do this. Oops. Anyways guys, today we're learning multiplication of basically 3-digit number into a 2-digit number. This is very useful for 5-digit squares. Yes. So let's start with the addition method. Some of these methods were mentioned in the last multiplication video. Oops. Yeah, why not? So addition method is the same thing. Basically turn this you can either turn the 32 or you can turn the 457. I'd recommend you should do the smaller one, because you can just do 457 into 457 into 30 plus 2. Basically what this means is you can actually do 457 into 30 and then 457 into 2. So it means you can do 457 into 3 first, and you know how to do 3 by 1 multiplication, right? You just have to do 3 to 4 equals 12, then put the 1, and then 3 to 5 equals 15, so 12, 3, 5, 21, 7, and then 7 turns to 1, 1371. Yep, that's how you get it. And then when we have to add, yeah, this also has to have 0, and then we have to add 457, basically 450 into 2. Yeah, then 457 into 2 is just very easy. It's just 914. So 13710 plus 914. This is a little hard addition. I mean, doing it in your brain is pretty hard, but I think you can do it, guys. I think you can do this. This is just basics compared to what you might learn in more videos. 14624. So that's actually the answer for 457 into 32. Now I got a new calculator. I mean, it's better one, I guess, than Google. Hang on, my computer is taking a little time. Really? Oh, okay, there we go. Calculator. Yeah, I have caps lock on. So now we can just turn this into a scientific calculator, which is better, like, for, you know. So 457 into 32. Yeah, we got it. Now let's do it in another method. So now we can do it in method number 2, which is subtraction method. Now we're gonna do the same number each time. So 457 into 32. Now how you can do this, instead of doing like 457 into 30 plus 457 into 2, you can just do instead we can do 460 into 32 minus 3 into 32, because we can just subtract, basically add 3 to this, but now that we have added too much, we have to take out the 3 from here. So that's how you do it. It's pretty easy because you can just do 46 into 32, and you can do 46 into 32 by using the you can use many of the methods in the earlier chapter. So I'm just gonna use the addition method for this. 46 into 32, first 46 into 30 equals 130, 138. So 138, 1380 plus plus 40, 96 basically equals 1476. Oops, yeah. Then now that you've got the main part of the calculation, you just have to subtract 96, because 32 into 3 equals 96. So, and now this is a very simple subtraction problem, because all you have to do is borrow from the 7, take 6, and 36. Yeah, you have to get 36. There we go, and there is it. That's how we get it. Now, how I got the 36 so fast, you ask? Well, I just subtracted 96 from 60. So, when you subtract 96 from 60, you'll get 36, right? Just put 36. But you have to take 1 from this 7 over here. Oops. So, that's the answer. Oops, I think I did something wrong here. Oh, yeah, sorry. Sometimes I'm dumb. There we go. Wait. Oh, I think I did the calculation wrong. I think this should... Wait, what did I just do? Hang on a minute. Are you sure? Oops, guys, I think I made a mistake somewhere over here. So 460 into 32. I think I did 460 into 32 wrong. So this should be minus 96. This should not be so much. This should be 20. There we go. That's correct. Yeah, I made a mistake in there. Sorry. Anyways, so we get 14624, which is again the same as last time. Now we are gonna do the factoring method. Factoring method is one of my favorite methods, honestly, because you don't have to do any addition or subtraction, only multiplication. What is this? Oops. What am I writing? Hang on a second. Yeah, there we go. So factoring method, we can do 457 into 32. You can turn 32 into 8 into 4. Basically, 457 into 8 into 4. 457 into 8 equals 8 into 4 equals. So you can then do equals. You can do one step at a time, guys. You don't need to do everything at once. You can just do 3. So 3 first digit, because 8 into 4 equals 32. Then 2 you take and do 8 into 4 equals 40. So 6, 0, 8 into 5, 56. 3656. And then you have to multiply that into 4. This is even easier actually. 12. So put the 1. 4 into 6, 4, 4. 4 you take 4 and put 6, 0, 4, 24. Yep, there we go, and it worked. See, it's the same as addition method and subtraction method. Really, every method works. Let's you know what, actually guys, the way I do it is I like to do close together method, but close together method doesn't work for 3 by 2s. Let's just do another few 3 by 2s, like 258 into 96, actually 97. So now this, I would love to do this in subtraction method. It's the best in subtraction method. But let's start with addition method first. Method. So now addition method is pretty simple. You just do 258. Oops. 258 into 58 into 90 plus, you know, the basically, you know what this means, right? So you basically just do 258 into 90 and then do 258 into 7. So let's start. 258 into 9 equals 9 into 2, 1, 9, oops, 2, sorry, 2, 2, 9 into 5 equals 45, 5 and 7, oops, now this is 3 again, 7 added to 4, 5 is 2, 2, 3, 2, 2 again, and then 0 plus 258 into 7, 258 into 7 basically means 258 into 7 basically, first let's write this number, then 7 into 2 equals 14, so take the 4 and do 7 into 5 equals 7, basically 5, you take the 5 and you get, oops, 56, so this is 8, turns to 8, 56 equals 0, 6, yep, there we go, and then we add these two together. This is harder addition because you have to do 1 8 plus 3 2 equals 2 5 0 2 6. There we go. Let's test this out on the, actually let's do all the methods first and see if they come to the same place. Subtraction method. So in subtraction method we do, now this is much easier than addition method in this sum because you can just do 258 into 100 minus 258 into 3. So let's do 258 into equals 25800 minus 258 into 3. So now we can just do, it's pretty easy, just do 3 to 25 equals 35 and then 750 plus 3 to 8 equals 24. So 750, 7, 8, 6, 74. And this is a very easy one, it's literally just over. So basically you can just do 250 and whatever you add to this basically equals 26. Because if you add 26 to 774, you'll get 800. That's why I got my answer. Oops, I put it 1 here. Yeah, there we go. Now we got the same answer, 2506. And now let's do factoring method. Factoring method. Then in factoring method we do 258. We can actually factor. Well, factoring method doesn't work very well with this one because 97 can't be factored, so we're gonna have to do, oops, so we have to do 97 into, well, let's see, can I do 258? I can turn it into 2 into 129, but what's the use in that? Or I can do 60, no, but I can do 3, so 270 equals 90 minus 4, oh, 90, 86, so we can also do 86 into 3, and this is a little hard because we can't factor very well, but we might as well do it. 97 into 86 into 3, so you can use the addition, I like to use the addition method mostly for this. 97 into 8, now what is 97 into 8? 8 into 9 equals 72, 720 plus 776, 736, but you So 776 plus 97 into 6. So 6 equals 6, 54 is 582. So we have to add 582 to this. So let's just say 8342. Now 8342 you have to multiply it with 3 again. Oops. Basically this is a pretty easy one. Just do 24 first one. No, wait, actually 5. Because even though this will not do a carry, this will still. And 9, you just have to add 1 and yeah, you get it right. So 2, 6. And there we go. Correct one again. Now let's check if all these answers are correct. So let's go to the calculator and let's check. Oops, let me go down here. 258 into 97. 258 into 90. Oops, 7. There we go, and we got everything correct here. So that's how you do 3x2s, guys. And this alone is a very long video, so I think I'll stop now only. Ooh, what am I doing? Oops. XD, let me turn this down a lot to understand what it actually means. I have no idea what this means. 1000. There we go. I got 1034579. By the way, guys, I'll give you one sneak peek at 4-digit squares. I know you don't need to learn it in this one. I'm just showing you a demo. Like if you wanted to do something like 6, 8, it seemed impossible, right? It seems impossible. Basically 7 into 7648. It seems impossible, but it's actually possible and easily possible actually. So we use the same breaking down method, and since it's closer to 7000, we'll do 7000. Now this will be a little hard to calculate, like how much, but oh wait, what? Ooh, wait a second, I wrote this wrong. That is 46, yeah. So 7000 you can turn it into 468 into 2 equals 936. Yeah, there we go. 7936. And now you know how to do 4 by 1s, right? It's basically 4-digit number into 1-digit number. It's pretty easy. So in this we do 7 into 7 first equals 49, and we can easily see a carry, so we'll do 5. Then the 9, we add 9 to 7 into 9 equals 63. So we get 5, and then the 3 can go to 5. Oops, I think we're getting too many 5s. Anyways, yeah, the 7 into 3 equals 21, so we can add that to this. And then finally 42 equals, oh my god, another 5. I cannot believe there's so many 5s. Anyways, then you do 7 into 6, finally 18, and then you add that to 1 to 8. Oh good. Finally a different, oops, I think I did something wrong. Hang on guys, 1 second. So we do the 21 from this point. So the 1 we add, no wait, 7 into 9 equals 63. So I added that to this and I got 5, and then I have the 3 left to 1 to 8. So we get 2, 8. I put an extra 5. So then we do 5. Then obviously this is not 8. We have to put 3 zeros because this is 3 zeros. So this is a big number already, but we have to add a big. Then we have to add a 3-digit square to it. Basically 468 squared. So now we can do 468 squared. you have to do. So let's do 468 squared. We can turn this into 500 into 434. Yeah, I think that's correct. No, sorry, 32 we have to minus 6. Wait, yeah. There we go. So we have to do 500 into 436, and this is especially easy because we know the into 5 rule. So let's do 20 first. We can just do, instead of doing that, we can just do the 5 rule, which is split the number into 2 and then multiply it into 10. So this is 218 basically. So 218, and then we can get 1 0, and then we have to put 2 more zeros plus 32 squared. Now 32 squared I think you can do on your own. It's pretty easy unless you've not seen my earlier video. So 32 squared will equal 3 into 34 equals 1020. 1024. What? Okay, 1024. Oops, I put too much. 1024. And this is very easy calculation. You just have to add 1 to that, and then the rest is simply there. Then finally, for the last part of the answer, you have to do 552800 plus 219024. Basically the earlier this square. Oops, that was the wrong thing to open. Now this is what we call hard addition, and it's still not that hard actually. 5, these two will remain same. Then we add 2 to this one equals 7. Then 19 to 28 equals 47. And the rest is pretty much the same thing. Yeah, there we go. And that's the answer. That's how you do such big squares, guys. It's one of the hardest things to do, but it's still not the hardest. 55747024. Let's do that on a calculator over here. 7468 squared. And let's go. Oh, guys, we missed it by a little bit. See, the problem, guys, is because it's such a big problem, you can get a mistake somewhere. But we were very close, guys. Just 3000, yeah, 2000 what? 300, no, 400 left. But I think that's it for today's video, guys. Bye, guys. I'll see you next time.